Okay guys, let's start the new video from series 2, video 2. This video will be named AA Predict my next viral YouTube video. So, what if AI could tell you exactly which of your video will go viral next? Today I'm going to show you how we built a system in n8n plus Ollama that does exactly that. It looks at all your recent YouTube videos and predict the winner. Okay, let's start it. First step, you have the manual trigger that declenches the workflow. Next, you have a YouTube node. So you select on the resource video, get many, and return all. And I want to be ordered by the date. So I connected my YouTube channel, and let's see. Let's execute. So you have 125 items. That means all of my video is here that I published. Okay, but on this node you don't have the data, the duration of the video. So because we want the duration of the video, we'll put another YouTube node to get a video, and we'll get all the video from the previous node YouTube. So you type this in the video ID, operation will be get. On the video ID, we'll choose expression, JSON ID and video ID. On the fields, we'll put content ID, details, statistic, and snippet. Let's execute. Because you want to also to have the duration of the video. Okay, let's wait. Okay, so now we have also the duration. I will show you here. Duration of the video, where it is. Description, publish that. Okay, statistics. It's a field name duration. Statistics, tag, channel, thumbnails, channel ID. Look here, on content details, you have the duration, but is in this format, PTS. So you don't want this format. You want to transform in minutes and seconds. So because of that, you have a function, a not function with this script that will transform, will convert from PT2 this into minutes and seconds. Okay, and you want to also to give me all the videos that the duration is more than 1 minute. So with this function node, you want to exclude it the short video. You don't want the short video to show here. Okay, so because of that, I put the duration on seconds more than 60. Okay, let's execute this node also. So you see, you have only 23 videos, only the large videos, and you have the snippet, the published channel ID, title, description. Okay, and let's see the duration, how it appears now. Description, published. Okay, let's see the duration. Okay, you see duration formatted. It's in minutes and seconds. Okay, after this, we need a set node to take all the fields that I wanted to have. So the title will be the JSON snippet title, the video link, the duration, the views, the likes, the comments, the published at the day when was published. Okay, let's execute this node. So now you have more structured. You see, first video you have the title, the video link, the duration, where is in minutes and seconds, the views, the total likes, the comments, the published ad, and the date. Okay, after this, you need another function node to map all the videos into one array. So let's execute again. So you see, instead of 23 items, you have now just one item with all of this. Okay, after that, you need another function node. So because of that, so you can send all the input only with from one item to Ollama. So you rename this from data, and you have all of the videos here, so only one items. So Ollama will process only one item, not 23 items. Okay, on LMM chain on Ollama, we will send this. You are a YouTube growth AI assistant. Analyze the following list of videos and predict which one is most likely to blow up next. Consider factors like title, duration, view, likes, comments, and publish data. Return an answer strictly in this format. Predicted video, the title of the video, and reason. Explain briefly why this video is likely to trend. Here is the data, and you put JSON from data. So you have this text here. Okay, Ollama chat model. We have Gemma3 1B. Perfect. Let's execute the Ollama. We'll wait. And now Ollama looks at all of the videos, their start, the titles and context, and then give us one prediction in a clean JSON. Let's see the prediction of the Ollama. Ollama still thinking. I'm curious what video we'll choose. Let's see. Still executing the node. You can try this with any chat model. You can put GPT or okay. You have the output text and all the prediction. Okay, all of this we want to rename into a code through function node, and this will put Ollama prediction to be renamed JSON text to be renamed Ollama prediction, and all of that. Let's execute, and you see you have now Ollama prediction, not text like here. So you don't have the like text, and all of the date you want to put in the sheet node. And okay, I already set this. Series, you choose this from list. Series 2 from list. I have the sheet 2. Let's open it. Let's delete it, this. Okay, and now let's execute to see the output. Okay, and now you have Ollama prediction. What is this? So the prediction video was n8n plus Ollama Gemma3 1B turn spam comments into insights. Yes, really. Series 1, video 4. So Ollama choose this video, and the reason because he choose. She said, this video is most likely to blow up next because it directly addresses a very trending topic, spam comments. The title explicitly states, turn spam comments into insight, a problem that people are actively seeking solution for it. It's also positioned as a serious one, which suggests a valuable beginner-friendly tutorial, increasing its potential for discovery. The video duration and view also align with a high engagement type of content, which can significantly boost its visibility. So now you have the AI with the magic that choose what video will blow up next. Thank you guys for watching and see you in next video. Bye bye.